Welcome to episode number 6 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt to turn it into $1 million for your sake, for your entertainment. In the last episode, as you know, I was planning and keen on selling some positions for the first time ever in this series. My two positions here, OXLC and ABR, ended up being in profit for the last episode, and then I was vowing to sell them on Monday, but it didn't exactly work like that. At first glance, you will still see that I am actually in profit, and as you know, Webull is free to enter and exit, so I wouldn't necessarily lose any money if I were to sell them right now, if I can in fact execute them at the current price. However, it is April 14th, Tuesday, and between Monday and Tuesdays, both trading days, the stock did not continue to rally. Instead, if we first look at ABR, you'll see the 5-day chart. It does look very good, very appealing. But around right here on Thursday, the market, as you know, was closed for Friday because of Good Friday. At the close right here, it was at that point 779 for ABR. And I said on Monday, I am looking to sell one or two of these positions. I don't know yet, but that rally hopefully should continue because the coronavirus outlook did look very good, and it looks like it might be ending soon and that we're at the peak. So I would have thought on Monday that the market would have continued to rally, but that was not the case. The stock actually did open up a little bit higher pre-market, but then it took a nosedive. So between April 13th, which was right here at 9:30 a.m., then it closed right here at 4 o'clock, and then again trading day today at 9:30 did open up again pre-market, but then the same thing, and then it just kind of consolidated over here with not much action later in the day. Granted, like I said, I am still in profit, so can't complain, but I might hold on to these positions a little bit longer than expected. Let's take a look at OXLC now. Right now the stock stands at 513, and you'll see right here on Thursday when the market closed, it closed at exactly $6. I believe there's a little action after hours as well. You can take a look at the last episode, and if you haven't seen that last episode, the link will be down below in the description. Be sure that you watch them in sequential order. And if you're brand new and you haven't seen any of the episodes yet, I have a full playlist on the homepage of my channel. Be sure to check that out. You can just click on the playlist, let the episodes roll, and you don't even have to change your screen. The playlist will roll automatically, and you can just watch all the episodes in order. So then on Monday, again, the market was closed Friday, did open up a little bit higher in pre-market hours, did drop a little, went back up, and then after that, between Monday and Tuesday, it just decided to take a beating. I was actually in profit on OXLC, I believe it was, for a few minutes during the day, and I was getting all hyped to sell. I would think now's the time, it's gonna just start rallying up, but after that little initial profit, I believe it was like 3 cents profit on the day, it just decided to start falling. Let's take a look at where my account stands now. OXLC, I am $1.60 in profit, or 4.02%. Now again, it's all relative, it's all perspective. That's still a very good profit, 4.02%. That's something that is very hard to achieve within such a short window of time. And you know, as we know, the savings accounts, your average savings account, will pay hopefully over 0.0x%. So this is a very good return as it is, but I want to hold out just a little bit longer because I know there's still room for growth. On ABR, a little bit of a different story. You could shift that decimal point over an increment because we're only up 27 cents and 0.49% profit. Now these numbers may look minuscule and tiny, but again, remember that we're playing with under $100 because I have $5 and change uninvested, so I'm only about $95 in equity in. And as far as what that means for the account, that means my net account value is 101.87 with $1.87 in profit, or 1.87% profit. Now I did say that I'm set to receive that free stock, but there's actually another thing that I'm set to receive that will actually be on top of the profit that I'm already in. I actually got in on time for OXLC's dividend declaration. I got in before the ex-dividend payable date, and so I'll actually be receiving, very small because I only own a few shares, but I'll actually be receiving a dividend with it I didn't even have any intentions of trying to receive a dividend. I didn't try to time anything, just pure coincidence that I was actually in time to receive that dividend. That dividend is set to be paid out on April 30th, so I will update you in future episodes when I do receive that. And you know what? I will count that as a additional growth in my portfolio. I think dividends are, as you know, a great thing, a great way to earn extra income. I actually did a video a while back showing you how to make a full-time income with dividends. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it down below. It's an older video, but I did do that video and I explained how you can create consistent passive income on autopilot while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're exercising, and having those dividends roll out for you on the weekly and monthly. So I will count that towards the net account values growth. It does count. I believe it is something that's with your stock. It's not anything separate. It comes with the stock. So I will count that, and I'll be updating you on that dividend when I get it. But that is where we are at right now. I will be hopefully selling these positions within the next couple episodes or next couple weeks. I do hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe so that way you don't miss any future episodes or videos, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.